This video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Ferro. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Ferro itself. A very compact mini bullet vibrator which is perfect for clitoral stimulation. This high-end vibrator is made of a stainless steel and it's really simple and easy to operate with the button at the bottom. To turn on, simply push and hold down and the vibrations will begin, and you'll see it has a green light which indicates it's on. The bullet is also completely waterproof up to 1 meter for safe use in the bathtub or shower. To turn off the bullet vibrator, simply push and hold down and it's now off. To charge, it's very simple and easy to do. Simply unscrew the top like so and it reveals 2 magnetic dots. Using the USB charging cable provided, attach the 2 dots together like so. They are magnetic and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Once the charging is complete, simply pop the cap back on and gently screw. And it's ready to go again next time. There's also a Nexus Ferro user manual included to help you with your toy. Now, when using the Nexus Ferro, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean it after every use, using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Ferro. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.